Hi friends, welcome to Organic Motivation channel. Who does not want to be rich or want more wealth? But becoming rich isn't possible for everyone. Although hard work is the key to success, it is not possible to become rich by hard work alone. If that were the case, then the donkey wouldn't have worked all day long and the lion couldn't have slept all day and became the king of the forest. What do you say? Getting rich usually doesn't require much making or a lot of money working multiple jobs or businesses. Rather, the earned money or wealth requires strategic planning, smart investment, and proper management. Anyway, guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss 10 very important steps to get rich. Those who are in the first row of wealthy in the world, such as Bernard Arnold, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Laurie Ellison, and Indians Mukesh Ambani, Ratan Tata, are seen to follow these 10 steps. Among these 10 steps, what everyone emphasizes isn't making money, but the proper use, investment, and management of money. So let's see now which 10 things they have more importance in getting rich, and from today I want you all to try in our personal life and see if we can follow these things according to us. Number 1. Investing wisely. Investing wisely is the number one policy to get rich. That means educating yourself early on different investment methods and making informed decisions to grow your wealth over time. This is actually the case. Suppose research assets such as stocks, bonds, shares, commercial properties, real estate, or mutual funds and create your ideal approach to investing. Then make investments that will ensure you long-term wealth growth potential. Number 2. Storing consistently. Consistent savings play a very important role in becoming rich. This means regularly save a portion of money for the future or set aside a portion of your income in an investment account. In this way, the habit of regularly saving a portion of the income will provide you with money for future investments, and thus new areas of investment will be created and your income will gradually increase. Number 3. Budget effectively. Effective budgeting is critical to becoming wealthy. This means create a budget and keep track of monthly and annual expenses. Create and stick to a budget that prioritizes essential expenses while minimizing unnecessary expenses. Number 4. Managing debt effectively. It is natural to start with a loan to start a big project. But a misconception remains in countries like Bangladesh and India, and that is to invest all the money of the project by borrowing, which puts the project a greater risk before it starts. So before starting a project, if you have 1/3 of the money, then start the project with a loan. And if you don't have, you wouldn't have the ability to control your debt, and it will be your riskier investment. Also avoid taking on high interest loans and prioritize paying off existing debt to reduce financial burden and improve overall financial health. Most wealthy persons have prioritized saving as well as paying off debts. Number 5. Thinking long term. See, in this world, shortcuts can be done temporarily, but they are not permanent. And that's why all the successful people of the world have chosen long-term thinking to increase their wealth. It is a very effective step to get rich. This means developing a mindset focused on long-term wealth accumulation rather than seeking quick riches, and being patient and disciplined with your financial approach. Invest in some areas from which you can get long-term benefits. Number 6. Cost controlling. Follow this theory of spending when necessary and avoiding spending when unnecessary. Keep your spending under control by avoiding unnecessary purchases and be more aware of essential expenses like housing, utilities, and insurance. Also, live below your means and prioritize saving and investing over overspending to accumulate wealth. Number 7. Continuous education, training, and self-improvement. This world is constantly changing. What is there today may not be there tomorrow. So prepare yourself for tomorrow. It means keep yourself updated with time. Acquire new skills and invest in personal development to improve your earning potential and career prospects. There is no end to educating yourself, and that's why almost 70% of the richest people in the world have acquired 70% of their total wealth after the age of 60. And we have collected this information from the biographies of several successful people. Number 8. Network and relationship development. The present world has entered the era of globalization. There is a saying that if you want to walk long, walk alone, and if you want to walk far, walk with others. This means building networks or relationships with successful people in your organization who can give and take advice from you. If needed, provide insight, potential investment opportunities for growth and advancement. In this way, enjoy the process of enrichment and create a network of collaborations and expectations. Number 9. Giving and earning loyalty. Donations make people widely known, respected, popular, famous, and powerful in the society. Make it a habit to donate a certain amount of money each year. Through this donation, your wealth will not decrease, but you will gain credibility in various sectors of the society. Help others in this way and stay at the top of society financially. And number 10. Being disciplined, patient, and physically active. See, if the body isn't healthy, then there is no use of being rich, because at the end of the day, you won't be able to enjoy any of them. For this, develop the habit of discipline, patience, and exercise. There are no shortcuts in the world, so it takes time to accumulate wealth. And in this case, discipline, patience, and perseverance are very important. You will face obstacles, setbacks, and adverse conditions on your way to becoming rich. But don't break this theory you have to follow. Focus on your long-term financial objectives and stay committed to your wealth building strategies. Despite challenges or obstacles, success is bound to come one day. At last, If you like the video, then subscribe the channel and hit the bell button. Thank you.